Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best car costumes is probably one of the most exciting ways to personalize your vehicle and make a statement on the road, transforming your car into a rolling piece of art or a fun character that turns heads and sparks conversations wherever you go. Whether you're looking to express your personality, celebrate a holiday, or simply add a touch of whimsy to your daily commute, these creative car modifications offer a unique avenue for automotive enthusiasts to showcase their individuality and creativity, making every drive an adventure. Number 5. This guy's car's 3 Lightning McQueen Toddler costume. Get ready for high-speed fun with this iconic race car costume. It's perfect for your little one's next adventure. Inspired by the beloved character, this costume features a vibrant red design. Your child will feel like a true champion. Made from 100% polyester, it's designed for comfort and built to last through all their races. It's easy to wear for hours of play. Available in a large size, 4 to 6, this costume ensures a great fit for your growing racer. Let them embody their favorite character. This costume is more than just an outfit, it's a ticket to a world of imagination. Watch them zoom into exciting new stories. Designed for convenience, this costume is simple to put on and take off. It's a hassle-free way to bring their favorite movie to life. What we like. This classic toddler costume offers a comfortable fit for your little one. If you're looking for a recognizable and easy-to-wear outfit for a young child, this is a great choice. It's perfect for themed parties or a fun day of play. What people say. The car costume is very durable and has held up well through multiple uses. The design of the car costume is very realistic, with attention to detail on the headlights and wheels. It's easy to put on and take off, making it convenient for quick costume changes. Number 4. This guy's Lightning McQueen 3D Toddler costume. Get ready for adventure with this incredible costume. It's perfect for little ones who love to play and imagine. Featuring the beloved Lightning McQueen design, this costume brings the magic of the movies to life. Your child will feel like a true race car champion. Made with comfort in mind, this costume is easy to wear for extended play. It's built to last through all their exciting escapades. The eye-catching 3D details make this costume truly stand out. It's designed to capture the essence of the character they adore. Specially designed for toddlers, this costume offers a great fit and allows for easy movement. Let their imagination run wild. Watch their excitement grow as they transform into their favorite character. This costume is sure to be a hit at parties and playtime. What we like. Experience the iconic look with its impressive 3D design. If you want your child to stand out and truly embody their favorite character, this is the one to get. It's ideal for making a big impression at any event. What people say. The car costume is well made with durable fabric. It features realistic details like headlights and a steering wheel, making it fun for kids. The costume is easy to put on and take off, with adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. Number 3. Rubies Paw Patrol Chase 3D Child Costume. Transform your little one into the brave Chase from Paw Patrol. This costume is perfect for themed parties or Halloween adventures. This is an officially licensed Paw Patrol Chase costume, ensuring authentic details for your child's role-playing fun. The sleeveless police car tunic top features amazing front and back details. It also comes with a police hat that has attached ears for the complete look. Please check our size chart to find the best fit for your child. Remember, our costumes are sized differently than regular clothing, so don't rely on age or typical clothing sizes. Create even more fun by coordinating with other officially licensed Paw Patrol costumes and accessories from Rubies. We have styles and sizes for the whole family. For generations, Rubies Costume Company has been dedicated to creating memorable costumes and bringing joy to families everywhere. We are a family-owned business committed to fun. What we like. Get ready for action with this officially licensed Paw Patrol costume. If your child is a fan of Chase and loves role-playing as a police pup, this is a fantastic option. It comes complete with a hat, making it a complete and fun outfit for Halloween or parties. What people say. The car costume is easy to put on and take off. The costume is made of durable material that holds up well to play. The design is cute and realistic, making it a hit with kids. Number 2. Spirit Halloween Cars Toddler Lightning McQueen Ride-Along Costume. Get ready for thrilling adventures with this officially licensed ride-along costume. It's perfect for your little one to embody their favorite character. Transform your toddler into the iconic Lightning McQueen with this fun and imaginative costume. They'll feel like they're right on the track. This costume is officially licensed by Disney and Pixar, ensuring authentic details and quality. It's a fantastic way to bring the magic of cars to life. Designed for comfort and ease of wear, this ride-along costume allows for plenty of movement. Your child can easily wear their own clothes underneath for added warmth. Whether it's for Halloween, a costume party, or just everyday play, this outfit is sure to be a hit. Let their imagination race with this exciting cosplay. Bring the beloved world of Disney and Pixar's cars to your home. This costume captures the spirit of speed and friendship from the popular franchise. What we like. This officially licensed costume offers a unique ride-along design. If you want your toddler to look like they're cruising along with their favorite character, this is a super fun choice. It's perfect for creating memorable photo opportunities and active play. What people say. The car costume is well made and durable, perfect for Halloween or dress-up parties. Easy to put on and take off, allowing for quick costume changes. The design is realistic and eye-catching, making it a hit with kids and adults alike. Number 1. Franco Disney Pixar Cars Lightning McQueen Pillow Buddy. Introducing the super soft and supportive Pillow Buddy, perfect for your little one. It's designed for ultimate comfort, whether they're traveling or relaxing at home. This durable plush pal is made to last through countless adventures and washes. Its fun size makes it an ideal companion for playtime, nap time, and bedtime. Your child will quickly grow attached to this friendly character, making it a cherished addition to their room. It's perfect for any age and ready to become part of the family. Start or expand your child's collection with this unique plush toy. Pair it with other coordinating items to create a complete Cars-themed experience. From our family to yours, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality, non-toxic products. We believe in fostering big dreams with safe and inspiring companions. Crafted from 100% polyester microfiber, this Pillow Buddy offers exceptional softness and support. It's non-toxic and fade-resistant for long-lasting enjoyment. What we like. This super soft plush Pillow Buddy is perfect for cuddling and comfort. If you're looking for a cozy companion for your child that doubles as a fun room decoration, this is an excellent pick. It's great for nap time, bedtime, or just snuggling up. What people say. The car costume is well made and durable, holding up to active play. Features like adjustable straps ensure a comfortable and secure fit for various sizes. The design is eye-catching and realistic, making it a hit for dress-up and parties. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.